In this video, I am going to give the answers of the questions that I had uploaded in the shorts video. So let's get started. To solve these questions, first we need to know the plus I and minus I series, okay, that I will be giving you. So this is the series of plus I effect, and here we will learn which group is having greater plus I effect and which group is having lesser plus I effect, okay. And these groups are electron donating groups. That means they have electrons with them and they are going to donate that electron, okay, and that's why they are involved in plus I effect. So what is the series? First CH2 and above that minus sign will be there, then NH, then O minus, then tertiary carbocation, then secondary carbon, then primary, then here these are the isotopes of hydrogen, first tritium, then deuterium, and then at last hydrogen, okay. So remember this series. Next we are having the minus I effect series, okay. Here the groups that are shown all are electron withdrawing groups. That means they do not have electrons and that's why they are going to withdraw electrons from others, okay. So here we are going to study which group is having greater minus I effect and which group is having lesser minus I effect. So here is the series. First comes NF3 plus, second NR3 plus, SR2 plus, then NH3 plus, then NO2, then SO3H, then CN, then CHO, then COOH, then F, then Cl, Br, I, OR, OH, C triple bond CH, NH2, benzene, and this is double bond, and then at last hydrogen, okay. So now let's start solving the question. First question, first see the question. Here it is given that CH3, CH2, COOH. This is the first structure. In second structure, what is there? Cl, CH2, COOH. And in the third structure, it is given fluorine, CH2, COOH. Now tell me which one is having minus I effect and which one is having plus I effect. See here, in among the three, the first one is having plus I effect, because if we look at the plus I effect series, we will see that here all the CH2, then CH3, tertiary, secondary, primary carbocations are involved, okay. Whenever we will see groups containing CH3 or CH2, that means plus I effect will be there. So here CH3 is there, CH3 will be having plus I effect, and here then chlorine, and here then fluorine, okay. Now among chlorine and fluorine, we know both of these will show minus I effect, okay. Both of these will show minus I effect. See here, I will show you the minus I effect series. Here fluorine and chlorine, okay. So fluorine is having greater minus I effect than chlorine, okay. So for solving these questions, first we have to identify which one is having plus I and minus I and which one is having greater minus I, greater plus I, okay. So if we write the series, here CH3 CH2, okay, CH3 CH2 will be having, see here CH3 CH2 is written, So leave this carboxylic acid group. Okay, first we will see only this thing that is not in common. What is not in common? See, this part everyone is having CH2COOH, CH2COOH, CH2COOH. So we will look only at these groups. Okay, so here CH3 will be having plus I effect. Okay, then Cl minus I effect, and fluorine will also be having minus I effect. So now we have to compare these two. Which one will be having minus I effect? Greater minus I effect. Okay, so for that we have to memorize the series, minus I series. So we have seen that fluorine is having greater minus I effect than chlorine. So this will be the order. Okay, now we know that acidic strength, I have shown in the shorts, that I have given that concept in the shorts, that acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I and inversely proportional to plus I. Okay, so here if we want to write the acidic strength order, then all the minus I things will come first. All the minus I thing will have greater acidic strength, and the plus I will have lesser acidic strength. That means this should be the order for acidic strength. So here first what should come? FCH2 COOH, then Cl CH2 COOH, and then CH3 CH2 COOH. That means first third number compound, that means this one should come first in acidic strength. If we arrange them in decreasing order, then this should come first because it has greater acidic strength. So first third compound, then second compound, and then first compound. Okay, this one is having greater acidic strength than this one, and this one is having greater acidic strength than this one. Okay, so this is the answer of the first question. Note down. Now let's solve the second question. So here also three compounds are given. You can see here the compounds: CCl3 COOH, CBr3 COOH, Ci3 COOH. So as earlier question, here also we have to consider the inductive effect, that is I effect. Here see, here chlorine, bromine and iodine is given. All are having minus I effect. I will show you the series where minus I effect you can see. For fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, all the halogens are having minus I effect. So here as all the halogens are given, then we will consider here minus I effect. So now we have to arrange the minus I effect according to minus I effect. Which one will be having greater minus I effect? So let's see the series again. See here, chlorine is having greater minus I effect than bromine and then iodine. So as we have seen earlier, acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I. That means greater the minus I effect, greater is the acidic strength. So among these three compounds, which one is having greater minus I effect? Chlorine. So first this compound, then this compound, and then this compound. The acidic strength, greatest acidic strength among the three will be for this one, for this structure. Okay, so the order will be 1, 2, 3. So the order will be for B question number B. For question number B, I hope you have seen the question. So first compound, then second compound, and then third compound. So this will be the acidic strength, decreasing order. Okay. Now the third question. So first compound is this one, second compound is this one, and third compound is this one. Here for this question you have to know one thing, that the inductive effect, that is the plus I and the minus I effect, depends upon distance. Okay. Greater the distance, lesser is the plus I effect or minus I effect. So I will show you that line that I have written here. So with the increase in distance, plus I effect and minus I effect decreases. Remember this line. So for the third question we need this concept. Okay. So let's see the third question again. See here. CH3, CH2, CH, COH, F. And here this is the second compound. Okay. And this is the third compound. So here only difference is that this part everything is common here, only the position of fluorine is changing. Here in the first compound the position of fluorine is just the carbon after the carboxyl carbon. Okay. And here it is the second carbon, and here it is the last carbon. The position is changing, position of fluorine is changing. Okay, see here properly, position of fluorine is changing. So in the first compound it is very near to the carboxyl carbon, in the second compound it is a bit far from the carboxyl carbon, and in the last structure it is farthest from the carboxyl carbon. Okay. And the concept that I have told you, plus I and minus I effect decreases with distance. So here the I effect will be greatest in the first compound, and here it will be slightly less. The I effect will be slightly less, and in the third compound the I effect will be the least. Okay. So if we see the third question, what will be the answer? Third question, what will be the answer? And we know fluorine is having minus I effect, and acidic strength is directly proportional to minus I effect, and here minus I effect will be the greatest. Therefore greatest acidic strength will be in the first structure. Okay. So we will see here option first structure will come first, then in second structure fluorine is slightly far, so then second, and then third it is farthest from the carboxyl carbon, so third compound. This is the acidic strength order. So these were the questions that I was going to show you, and the questions were given in the shorts video. I hope you have understand the questions, and if you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel to support this channel. Thank you.